Hi there, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download a YouTube video. Let's go.
Okay, let's try to download Mr. Beast gaming video. Okay, you see the three dots are here, click there, and you see the option download. We just click on there, download. Which quality you're gonna choose, standard 480p, low 144p, or if you want full HD or in high resolution, you have to have a premium quality of YouTube. Okay, we just in normal mode. Now you're going to download this one. Okay, but one thing I must tell you, this video is not going to save in your gallery. Okay, it's only to watch when you are offline, I mean when you don't have data. Okay, downloaded, view, and you see this video is downloaded. Okay, and it's here. You see the download option. When I click here, it shows the video. Okay.